Welcome back to One Witch's Walk, my witches, wanderers, and seekers. It is February 10th. The waning crescent hangs in the sky tonight, shining like a Cheshire cat's grin. Its curve gentle, not yet reduced to a mere sliver. The true sliver will arrive next week, on the eve of the dark of the moon. This is a time of profound stillness, of letting go, not just of things, but of effort itself. In the heart of deep winter, we are invited to lie down with the resting one. Our theme today is simply to rest. The world often teaches us that our value is tied to our productivity, but the wise witch knows that the fallow field is just as important as the one in full bloom. Today, we do not push, strive, or build. We simply are. We honor the sacred pause before the new cycle begins. Let us call to the deep, quiet peace of the resting one. Find a position of complete comfort. Lie down if you can, or settle into a chair, letting your body feel heavy and supported. Clench your jaw and soften your shoulders. Imagine the land around you is asleep under a thick blanket of snow. All is quiet, all is still. You are part of this great, silent rest. Repeat this invocation, allowing the words to be a lullaby for your spirit. The work is done. The cycle is complete. I allow myself to rest. Feel the permission in those words. You don't have to earn this quiet. It is your birthright. The wisdom of the waning crescent moon is the wisdom of sacred surrender. Restoration is sacred work. We are taught to see rest as the absence of work, as empty time. But the resting one teaches us that rest is its own form of potent magic. It is not empty, it is restorative. It is the sacred space where our spirit integrates lessons, our body heals, and our energy recharges for the journey ahead. Think of a seed deep in the frozen earth. It's not doing nothing. It's gathering its strength, holding its potential, waiting for the right moment to grow. Your rest is that seed time. It is the holy act of trust in the cycles of your own life. To rest is to honor your own energy as a finite, precious resource. It is the work that makes all other work possible. Today's practice is an act of gentle rebellion against the cult of busyness. Reduce effort today. I invite you to consciously choose one thing you will not do today, where you can reduce your effort and invite in ease. Perhaps you will order food instead of cooking a complex meal. Leave the less important emails for tomorrow. Cancel a non-essential plan. Let the laundry sit for one more day. This is not about laziness. It is a deliberate practice of conservation. By choosing to do less, you create space, you honor the signal your body and the moon are sending you. It's time to be still. Notice how it feels to intentionally lower the bar and give yourself grace. Our spell work focus for tonight is simple: nourishing, blessing for the body and spirit. Restoration. Our spell work for tonight is a simple, nourishing blessing for the body and spirit. Restoration. Before you go to sleep tonight, prepare a cup of warm, non-caffeinated tea or even just warm water. Hold the cup in your hands, allowing the warmth to seep into your palms. Close your eyes and speak softly into the steam rising from the cup. Say, as I drink, I am restored. As I sleep, I am renewed. I am made whole. Drink the liquid slowly and mindfully, feeling it warming you from the inside out, carrying that intention into every cell of your body. As you go to bed, place a hand over your heart and repeat one last time, I allow myself to rest. Sleep deeply, knowing that in your stillness, you are gathering the strength for what is to come. Thank you so much for being with me on this path this day. Sometimes it's hard to stop. It's hard to slow down. It's hard to rest. May you enjoy your blissful rest, and we be renewed for tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Blessed be.